Oregano is the culinary herb that has antibacterial powers. In terms of culinary herbs, oregano is an absolute star. It is renowned for its distinctive aroma and flavor. Oregano is an essential ingredient used in Mediterranean food preparation. Did you know that this herb has incredible antibacterial properties? Oregano is scientifically referred to by the scientific name Origanum vulgar, is part of the mint family, and is indigenous in the Mediterranean region. It was used to treat ailments for many years and dates back to the ancient Greek and Roman civilizations. Nowadays, it's extensively grown throughout the globe and is a sought-after ingredient in many meals. One of the main reasons why oregano stands out is the high content of phenols, which are natural substances. The phenols are known to have powerful antibacterial properties, which makes oregano a powerful natural treatment against harmful bacteria. An article that was published within the Journal of Applied Microbiology found oregano oil, which is derived by the leaf of this herb, demonstrated strong antibacterial properties against a variety of kinds of bacteria, such as Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus. Both of these bacteria have been recognized to be the cause of foodborne illness and may cause severe medical complications. Oregano's active ingredients like carvacrol and thymol have been proven to interfere with the cells of the bacteria's membranes, which causes their degeneration. The antibacterial properties are further increased when you consume oregano along with other herbs like rosemary and garlic, making a potent combination to fight harmful bacteria. Alongside its antibacterial qualities and antimicrobial properties, oregano has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that the extracts of oregano contain significant amounts of antioxidants that aid in protecting the body from an increase in oxidative stress, as well as lower the risk of developing chronic illnesses like heart cancer and heart disease. Additionally, oregano is extensively used as a traditional natural remedy to treat various illnesses, such as digestive problems, as well as respiratory issues and illnesses. The antimicrobial qualities of oregano are a major reason why it is a top option for treating oral ailments like gum disease or sore throat. While oregano is known to have numerous advantages for health, it's crucial to remember that it shouldn't be utilized as a replacement to treat medical conditions. Although it can provide relief and improve general health, it's always advised to seek an expert in healthcare for the proper diagnosis and treatment for any medical condition. The incorporation of oregano into your food is fairly simple. It is a great ingredient to enhance the flavor of many dishes, including pizzas, pasta sauces, to barbecued meats and roasting vegetables. The addition of dried oregano, either fresh or dried, to meals will not only improve the flavor, but also gives you a nutrition increase. For the best benefits, for maximum benefits, make use of fresh oregano as often as possible. Sprinkle the leaves on the food you love or soak the leaves in olive oil to make an incredibly flavorful dressing. Dry oregano may also be utilized, however keep an eye on the fact that the taste could be stronger, therefore, you should adjust the quantity accordingly. It isn't just a cooking herb, but it's an effective antibacterial which can improve the overall health of your. The natural components like carvacrol and thymol have powerful antimicrobial qualities, which makes it a powerful remedy for harmful bacteria. The addition of oregano to your diet will provide a variety of health benefits as well as adding an explosion of flavor to your food. Therefore, next time you add oregano to your pasta or pizza, be aware that you're not only adding flavor, you are also harnessing the power of this amazing herb.